here, just around here, about to do another unboxing from an item I purchased, of course, off Amazon. So, like I said, I'm getting some really good support in the channel. Everybody, it's getting some really good traction on the channel now. So please subscribe if you like the videos. If you please hit like if you like the videos, and definitely add comments. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our gift giveaways with items from Amazon. So today I'm opening up a package here, and I think I know what this is. Unfortunately, I only ordered one item from Amazon this time around, so I pretty much know what it is. I was out of town at a hotel room and had this pretty cool shower head, and I thought, well, you know what? I work hard, so I purchased a new shower head for my bathroom, up in my bathroom. I'll go show a real clip of what I have now, and then open and do the unboxing here to show you what I'm going to be upgrading to. And then once I install, I will show you the finished product. So probably going to zoom in and show you what I have in my bathroom and then zoom back. So just want to show you the current setup in my bathroom. It's a traditional, pretty cool shower head, but it's dirty and old, and you see it needs to be replaced. It's got 6 or 7 different types of shower stuff on it. Regular, massage, pulsating, rain, and it's kind of broke too, so it doesn't even kind of work actually. So it needs to come out, and I'm going to replace that today. All right, I'm back. So this product here is from AquaDance. It's on Amazon, of course. I will send a link to the description below. Let's open it up and just take a look for ourselves. Alright, so we open the box up here. So up and you'll see one thing out the bat. Look at this humongous shower head. So look at that reflection. You can see me all the way in it. Alright, so this is made out of all surface nickel finish. Very, very shiny, very, very nice. Also, this material here, or this product, it's also easy, super easy to clean, and it keeps away from all the lime buildup and things you don't like to have when you shower. So this is your shower head here, your Rainfall shower head. It's going to sit on your wall like this. Also too, you can tilt it at a different angle and get the rainfall effect. So that's this one. Now the other cool piece that comes with that is you're going to have your, this is pretty cool too, and handheld item as well. And the handheld tool, you can use this to scrub certain areas, to spray certain areas in your body, or get those hard to reach spots, right? So it comes with a handheld and a Rainfall shower head as well. Here's your 3-in-1 diverter. So in this product here, you actually can use the shower head by itself, or you can use the handheld by itself, or I'll show you a picture. You can use both together, which is pretty cool. You can get the rain effect here, the mist effect here, with the pulsate massage effect there. So if you look at each one, they have tabs here, and this one has a tab here. There's 6 different modes to the shower head. There's a power rain, which will come off this one. The power pulsing massage, which is the smaller one. A power mist, which would be the large head coming out like a mist. And then a rain mist coming out of the top one. And then you have a preset mode to kind of save water. So that's good for those environmentalists who want to save water. All the items, this is pretty cool. So for people who are not too handy, all the items are easy to install. You see here, easy to install. It comes with your plumber's tape. You're going to put your plumber's tape in the outside of the pipes coming out of the wall, and some washers just in case. Here's your conversion piece here. This goes right on, easy connection, easy connection. It's going to hold your head. And here's your tubing for the handhelds. It's 5 feet, so you can reach it'll get every area you want to spray in a shower, trust me. 5 feet's pretty long, so that's really, really good. And you're going to have the instruction manuals. If you look closely, you can see how it's going to be set up. And I'll try to take a picture too as well. But you're going to have your holder, and it shows you directions on how to use your diverter. Pretty easy way to do it. And it shows you the directions, so no need to call a plumber. You take your existing shower head now, remove it, and then add your diverter on. And then You can add your shower head, your big shower head to that diverter, and then you also can hook your hose outlet up to the diverter and control it via the diversion slot. So very easy to use, very easy directions. Like I say, this product's about AquaDance. Probably will take you maybe 10-15 minutes to install. So even if for the most novice of plumbers or most novice of home repair people, this shouldn't be really hard to do. If you have any questions or anything, the directions there. There's a 1-800 number to call, or you can leave a comment below and I'll show you how to do it, because I'm about to go upstairs right now and probably do mine since it's not too late tonight. So that's the overall product there. I'll put a link in the description below. I think it cost me around $35. Just some more expensive brands out there, but I went with this brand based off the feedback and the quality of the product. And I can't wait to go out and go upstairs and try it out. So I'm going to go head upstairs now and start to install. If you use this product before, please leave a comment and tell us how you like it. If you use similar products, put those down as well. Once again, if you like the video, hit like, subscribe to the channel. I got more content coming out, and we got some free gift giveaways. And everyone who is subscribed will have extra chances to win free Amazon products. So this is just Ron. Take care. Thanks for all your support, and I'll see you back on YouTube soon.